Hey guys, I'm Ricardo and today I'm showing you how to make the most delicious shrimp and pasta. First, peel your shrimp. Here are all the ingredients you'll need: salt and pepper, crushed peppers, paprika, oregano, sundried tomatoes, lemon, butter, fettuccine, parsley, shrimp, and garlic. Now you're going to take your garlic and dice it into very fine pieces. Now you're going to take your parsley and chop it up. Once you're finished cutting them, you want to put them on a clean plate. Now you're going to want to take out 6 sun-dried tomatoes and chop them up. Once you're finished cutting them, put them on a clean plate for later. Now you're going to add 3 pinches of salt and pepper into your water. Then once your water is boiling, you want to add your fettuccine. When your pan is hot, add some of your oil from your sundried tomatoes, or olive oil works as well. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you want to put your pan on medium heat and continuously stir until everything is melted. Now you're going to want to take that garlic from earlier and add it to your butter and oil. Make sure to stir it. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Now you're going to add in your shrimp. Once your shrimp are in, continuously stir until your shrimp become a little bit pink. Now you're going to want to add a generous pinch of paprika, oregano, and chili flakes. Continuously mix to make sure every single shrimp gets coated in seasonings. Now you're going to want to squeeze in half a lemon. Now you're going to add in your sundried tomatoes and half your parsley. Once your shrimp are finished, you're going to want to zest a lemon over your shrimp. Once your shrimps are finished, you want to put them aside with the pasta. Then you want to mix them together. Add some parmesan for extra flavor. After you're done mixing, plate your pasta and add some parsley for garnish. This should be your end product, a dish the whole family would love. If you like this video, I would consider dropping a like and subscribing for future videos.